So what did I get for this week's $10 a week challenge? Stick around and find out. Hey, Freedom Stackers! Well, I just got back from Coin Guy. He just got out of the hospital not too long ago, as you've probably seen from Spectacular's videos. But he is working a couple hours a day at the shop, and he happened to be there when I was there, so it was awesome. All right, let's see what we ended up getting for the month of November. Out of $40 for the month of November, I spent $38. He gave me $half as change. And this one is actually 1977, which is my birth year. So I'm not spending that. This one's a 96. Isn't a 96 an NFIC? I don't really know too much about NFICs or anything like that. So any of you coin roll hunters that watch my videos, is that an NFIC, not intended for circulation? It's pretty shiny. 1996. This one is, it's like an 85. This one's an 82. Okay. That's not what you came here to see. What you came here to see was this. The good stuff. He said that he was charging $19 times face. So for $38, I got $2 face. Okay, there's a Merc. And a bunch of rosies, looks like. Alright. Let me start looking at some of these dates. See what we ended up with. I got 1964, Denver. Another 1964. This one's a Philadelphia. Oh, this is the Merc. 1939. I don't see a mint mark, so this would be a Philadelphia. Ooh, what's that? That's a barber, son. Look at that. 1910? What? Heck yeah. This is my first, I think this is my first barber dime. Well, I think I got one as a gift from a member of the community, but I think this is my first actual, like, stacking, picking up constitutional, getting a barber dime. 1910. Wow. That is sweet. Sweet. Oh, goodness. Another 1964, Philadelphia. 1960, Denver. 1963, Denver. 1962, Denver. 1954, Denver. 1958, Denver. 1963, Philadelphia. 1964, Denver. 1952, Philadelphia. 1964, Philadelphia. 1957, Philadelphia. 1956, Philadelphia. 1962, Denver. 1956, Denver. 1964, Denver. 1962, Philadelphia. So for the $10 a week challenge, I ended up getting $2 face and 90% constitutional dimes for the month of November. $40. Well, actually, it was $38 out of $40 in the month of November. And I got my first barber dime, 1910. I got a Mercury. And I got 18 Roosevelts. Yeah. These are some beautiful dimes, though. As you all know, I did the same thing in October for $50. At that time, I got constitutional at 17 times face. I got one Franklin half and 5 walking halves. And for week 6, 7, 8, and 9, I ended up with $2 face and dimes, a 1910 barber dime, 15 Roosevelts. So after 2 months, I have $5 face. And you can do it too. It's only $10 a week. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email on Facebook or Instagram. Link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking and I'll see you in the next one.